Okay.
Lumultura ako naman, wala akong kalimutan.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is James0010. Dati yung kababayan nag-iikot. Dito kami ngayon nagkita si sister na nga naman.
Grace.
Si Grace. At we met people for a reason po. Pinagtagpo kami ng Tadhana at may dahilan kasi napunta kami at may work ako. Napadpad kami sa train. Namit ko siya. Tsaka pumunta kami ng Our Lady of the Church. Ang may retreat na si Father Chris. Divine Mercy. And it's a privilege na namit ko rin sila. And, you know, yung sinasabi nga nila na the Holy Spirit works in mysterious ways. And we meet them for a reason, to lesson, and a mission.
To share the blessing.
Ayan po. So, nag-journal kami for inspiration, for spiritual journey rin, sabihin mo, and for material. And salamat din, this is James0010. Shout out pala sa mga magsaselebrate din ng 19th Filchamp Community, sister dyan sa Kilborn. At ito po, Sister Grace, nagyayaya rin.
Yes. Happy anniversary, Filchamp. And kung sakaling magawi po kayo sa Battersea Church, just beside the Battersea Station is the Our Lady of Mount Carmel and St. Joseph Catholic Church. So you are most welcome and feel free to attend the Holy Mass at 12 o'clock in the noon, and then right after that is our Sunday gawain for El Shaddai community for praise and worship and full gospel. So to God be the glory. See you.
Ito, please support James.
Please support James for his
FB Reels.
FB Reels and YouTube channel.
James0010.
For the glory of the Lord.
James0010. Okay, salamat po. And we meet people for our God bless. Okay po. To God all be the glory. Amen.
This is Nanay
Hi,
Julie.
Sister Julie. Okay, bye, sister.
Next stop na kami.
Okay, bye-bye. Thank you po.
God bless.
God bless. Cheers. Bye for now. Ayan na po.